Apple has unveiled some refreshed MacBook Pros this week. Most of the changes are under the hood and now the non-touch bar version is updated this year. So let's take a look of the touch bar version of the 2018 version. I have purchased the 2018 MacBook Pro version with the touch bar, which cost $165,900 and the storage capacity is 512 GB. In the box, we get the space gray MacBook Pro, then some documentation, the power adapter, the power cord which is only 2 meters long and not the MagSafe. That's all in the box. The touch bar version comes with the 4 Thunderbolt 3 ports. Quad-core processors in them is a major update from the dual-core one. The Pros now make use of the new generation of the butterfly keyboards along with Apple's True Tone display, which was first debuted on the iPad Pro 2 years ago. Apple included its custom T2 security chip, the same one already used in the iMac Pro. Among other things, that chip allows Siri to work in always-on sort of way, so that you can say Siri without having to hit the Siri icon.